Hey credit heroes, do you want to attract more leads and get more customers? Well, today I'm going to explain the art and science behind building effective sales funnels and how you can use them to grow your business. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
A sales funnel is a marketing term that describes the journey that a lead takes from potential customer to paying customer. Picture a plastic funnel in your kitchen. The widest part is at the top, and then it gets thinner and thinner and thinner until it reaches the bottom. The top of the sales funnel represents the size of your market opportunity. The bottom represents a sale. For example, it's estimated that at least 53 million Americans need to improve their credit. That's a whole lot of people, and that's the top of the funnel. The bottom of a funnel is where someone interested in credit repair makes a decision, takes action, and becomes your paying credit repair customer. Sales funnels are designed to introduce leads to products and to nurture interest in services until they're ready to buy. They're an effective tool to increase sales and speed up the growth of your business. You just have to learn how to build and use them. Here's how this relates to us. For those new to credit repair, sales funnels can automate your marketing process, saving you time, energy, and money, but most importantly, they can massively boost your conversion rates. Funnels provide a clear structure for how to interact with your leads from the moment you first make contact to the end of their sales journey. This means you can customize your messaging and your offerings to fit exactly what your customer needs at each step of the process. There are 4 stages to a standard credit repair sales funnel: awareness, interest, decision, and action. The journey begins with awareness. Here you can cast a wide net and get your message out to as many people as possible. This is where your lead enters your funnel and first learns about your business. Maybe they got a referral from a friend or saw an ad online, or they saw you on TikTok or YouTube, or maybe they read your blog. By the way, our blog is how we get most of our traffic for our business. See, back in the beginning, I didn't have any money for advertising, so I just said, F it. I'm going to write all night, every night, till the sun comes up. And that's what I did. And those pages started to get indexed by Google, and that's now what brings most of our traffic. Sure, we now run ads, but most of our traffic comes from those articles, and that's free. The next stage is interest. Here your lead becomes a prospect. They know who you are and they're interested in learning more. They may have visited your website or signed up for your newsletter. Maybe you have a free resource that you give away on your website for free in exchange for an email address. Here you engage with your prospect and share your knowledge and resources. You provide them with attention and value, you build trust, and you pique their interest. Then it's time for them to make a decision. And at this stage, your prospect is highly motivated. They're considering becoming your customer, they're reading reviews and testimonials, they're looking at your competitors, and they're weighing their options. Offer them a free consultation and credit audit, and this is the moment that you have to convince them that you can provide the solutions to their credit repair problems. And finally, they take action. At this stage, your prospect makes their decision and they become a paying customer. And all your hard work, capturing their attention, nurturing interest, and building trust, that's where it pays off. It's a moment to celebrate, but the journey isn't over yet. There's actually a 5th bonus stage, the advocacy stage. At this point, happy customers become loyal customers. And loyal customers are lead-generating machines. They provide reviews, testimonials, and the most valuable form of marketing, which is word-of-mouth referrals. These customer advocates pour leads back into the top of your funnel, creating a cycle that feeds itself speeding up the growth of your business faster than anything you can do. Here's the thing to remember. In order to create a funnel that really converts leads into customers, you have to know who you're targeting and the action that you want them to take. Each stage of your funnel uses a specific message for a specific audience. So take some time to define your target audience. Conduct market research in your area, figure out why your leads need credit repair, learn their problems, their goals, and the best channels to communicate with them. This research will help you to customize your funnels and will create a more personalized and effective journey for your leads. Here's why this is important. If you don't take the time to research and really know your target customer before you create a sales funnel, don't be surprised if your leads drop out long before a sale. It would be like casting a net into the desert and hoping to catch some fish. So first, get to know your target customer really well, and after that, there is a 6-step process to creating a sales funnel that converts leads into customers. Step 1, build a landing page. Before you capture your leads' attention, you need a place to send them so that they can learn more about you and your services. A well-designed landing page is like a digital storefront where you outline your services, introduce your team, share testimonials, and build relationships with your potential customers. Step 2, capture attention. Do whatever you can to get your credit repair business in front of your target customers. You can post content for free on social media, blogs, websites, TikTok, YouTube. You can host webinars, training videos, and do podcasts. It's all about increasing your visibility and making sure that leads notice you in the marketplace. Step 3, make them an offer. Offer your leads something of value in exchange for their email address. This is called a lead magnet. This could be a free ebook with credit repair tips or access to a free training webinar, and this provides immediate value for your potential customers and starts to build your email list, which is very important for step 4. Now, if you want to see an example of one of these offers, go to creditrepaircloud.com/free book and sign up for my free book, The Ultimate Guide to Growing a Credit Repair Business. Step 4. Nurture your prospect. Now that your lead has become a prospect and they've provided their email address to you, it's time to build a relationship. You can start to send them regular emails with helpful content, industry news, or special offers. It's all about staying on top of mind and showing them how you can help them to achieve their financial goals. Also, this is where you want to invite them to a free consultation and credit audit. Step 5, sell them. Now that the relationship is established and their interest is high, it's time to make your pitch. Offer your credit repair services as the solution to their problems. If you have additional products or services that add value, don't be afraid to upsell or cross-sell those as well. Step 6, close. After making the offer, it's either a yes or a no. If they say yes, take a moment to enjoy that win, but immediately focus on delivering outstanding service and creating a loyal customer. If they say no, don't worry. A no today could be a yes next week or next year. So maintain the relationship by continuing to send nurture emails and learn from the missed opportunity. Okay? Pay attention to where the lead dropped out of your funnel, and if it becomes a common area for dropouts, find new ways to improve that stage. Improving your funnel is not just about increasing the number of leads at the top. No, it's about designing a better flow throughout the entire funnel. It's an ongoing process of measurements and adjustments. Here's what you need to know. If you start to notice holes in your sales funnel or common places where prospects leak out, you need to review that section, find the cracks, and fix them. You can do this by monitoring KPIs. which means key performance indicators. And you want to monitor them at every stage of your funnel and make changes based on the data. For the awareness stage, it could be the number of new leads that listen to your podcast, watch your social media, or visit your website. For the interest stage, it could be the percentage of email open and click-through rates. For the decision stage, it could be the number of leads who sign up for a free consultation and credit audit. For the action stage, it's the number of leads who say yes and become a paid customer. Tracking these metrics will help you to understand the health of your funnel. You'll know which stages are performing and which ones need improvement. Also, don't be afraid to ask a no why they declined your service. Consumer feedback is always valuable. You may need to redesign your landing page for clarity. You may need better resources to increase interest and nurture leads, or you may need to write more enticing subject lines so that your emails capture more attention. You won't know until you find the cracks in your funnel. If you want to learn more about building effective sales funnels, including how to automate them, go to creditrepaircloud.com/free training and sign up for our masterclass. The masterclass includes 6 months of our Credit Repair Cloud software. It comes with a credit repair ebook that you can use as a lead magnet, a pre-written email drip sequence ready to go, and additional credit repair business courses. Here's my final point. Building a sales funnel is a detail-heavy process that includes research, strategy, execution, testing, and adaptation. But at the end of the day, an efficient funnel that converts leads into loyal customers, it's 100% worth it. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more credit repair business secrets, check out my episode, Top Software Automations to Grow Your Business. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up now at creditherochallenge.com and start changing lives.